Austin to the job site. Chapo. What's your name?
Pete.
Pete, nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
You digging the hole?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my daddy sent me out here. He owns 50% of Nederland, so he told me to come spectate. How long y'all been out here? How long y'all been out here?
I just started.
Just started?
Hey, you say your name was Chapo?
Chapo, yeah.
Like Chapo Guzman?
Huh?
Like Chapo Guzman?
I'm Chapo the third. My dad's Chapo the second, and my grandpa Chapo. My grandpa's originally from like Panama City, Florida, kind of around there. But
I like your hard hat.
my hard hat right here.
Yeah, man.
Safety first.
Yeah.
I forgot to put it on. I'm sorry. So I'm about to go get my shovel. I'm gonna start digging. Where can I start?
Start somewhere over there.
Over there? Y'all digging like through the under the thing?
Go dig wherever you came from.
Well, I came from a truck over there.
Oh, we'll go dig by where your truck over there.
So you want me to dig? Start digging over here? I'm an escape artist. So what's he doing?
Getting out.
Can I get down there?
Nope.
Where's your hard hat?
I don't need one, man.
Oh. You like mine?
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? I was asking them where I can start digging.
I don't know. We're about to cover this up.
You gonna start throwing the dirt? How's it going? Y'all been out here digging? Y'all digging?
Yeah.
You're digging a big old mountain. Where y'all digging to? The fair? No? I couldn't afford one of them, so I got this. Yeah, see? Safety. Huh? My shovel? My bike?
Yeah, your bike.
I walk.
Oh, wow.
I can't afford a car. My daddy sent me out here.
Oh.
Yeah, he just basically he uses all his money at the bars and stuff and for chicks. So he doesn't give me none. So he told me he sent me out here to start doing this. He said y'all make good money.
Oh,
So he sent me out here. So what y'all doing? Where y'all digging to?
we'll be up in here. Fiber, up to the fiber.
Y'all digging somewhere? Y'all gonna go under the tunnel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Where y'all going? On vacation? No? Alright. You have a good day.
All right, you too.
Yes, sir.